Are there any other, say, athlete stories, return to sports stories, or concussion management stories that really
Yes, we've
stick
got
out?
lots of high school athletes that come to us to heal quickly to get back out there. And we laser whatever's broke, whatever's got the problem.
Mhm.
Even post-operatively, when we laser, it heals in half the time, and the doctors are absolutely amazed. They're like, wow, you healed so fast. We've also got a concussion protocol. I have a physician. We are a stem cell clinic. You don't have to go to Panama, Costa Rica, or Mexico City.
Oh,
We have placental, pluripotent, undifferentiated stem cells in the millions that we use. And one of the things, even today, I have a Parkinson's patient. We're going to give intrathecal, that means in the spine, which means it'll cross the blood-brain barrier. We're going to give those this afternoon, and it will reverse, not cure, reverse the Parkinsonian symptoms. He's a very young man, and he's got terrible shaking, tremor of the right hand, and brain fog. So we're going to go intrathecally, put those stem cells in. We also go intranasally, and it'll go over your cribriform plate and into the frontal lobe. So his whole brain is going to be bathed with brand new life. This is probably the most sacred thing that I do. It is new life. It is not from aborted fetuses. It's from the placenta that used to go in the trash.
yeah.
The scientists harvest those cells that God never dispatched to be anything. They were
Mhm.
just extras, and we can use those for healing. I've
Love
used
that.
it for knees, shoulders, low back pain, and you don't have to have surgery. They go in and they say, oh, let me replace all the bad. This is not
Mhm.
good. Takes them 6 months, and then you might have to have another treatment. It
Mm.
depends on how bad you are. But it's frontier medicine, and it's safe, and it's so compassionate.
If anybody meets you in person, they're going to be able to tell right away that you are a super compassionate person. I've met you a couple times in the clinic. You have lots of people that run in and out of there. But who should be reaching out to you? What kind of symptoms? If you could give me a 30-second or 1 minute or so, just rundown of symptoms or situations, rolled ankles, hurt knees, Parkinson's symptoms. What are some other symptoms or that, red flags that someone should be able to come in and see you guys?
Early Alzheimer's, anything neurologic, multiple sclerosis, certainly concussions, traumatic brain injury, Epstein-Barr, Lyme's. We have lots of Lyme patients that doctors say, no, you don't have Lyme, but you know what? We treat them with ozone, and guess what? Those markers they have, they go down. They go so low. I've got just a multitude of diseases that fall between the cracks, and I cannot treat everything yet.
Yeah.
And I'll tell them if I can't. We
Yep.
do a consultation, and I'm quite honest. I can help you, or I've never done this, but let me consult with, and I have many physicians that I consult
Mm.
with in different specialties to see what we might put together. But something I see really growing, Tanny,
Mhm.
is this anti-aging movement.
Yes, right.
Longevity. We're all getting older, but we want to age with quality of life. And the NAD drips, the glutathione drips, the high dose vitamin C drips, the ozonated glycerin, which is brand new in the United States. Japan's been using it since 2004. We, the ozone practitioners, found out about it 3 months ago. But that's a major.
You can't get that at Smoothie King either, right?
Not yet. Maybe someday I make it, but honestly, it takes 4 days to boil and make
Wow.
in just small quantities. But I can inject that in joints. I can put it in an IV. I even have put it in a vial that you can put it on your tongue, and it will absorb the ozone through the mucosa. And over a couple weeks' time, all of a sudden, you're like, I've got more energy. So
Oh,
that's
wow.
anti-aging
Yeah.
energy boost, and it's so affordable because it's so inexpensive to make.
Yeah.
So that's something new that's fabulous.